Page number 43, page 42, we've already completed. Now, come on, let
Good
me
morning,
quickly.
ma'am.
Good morning to everyone once again. Let's do a little bit of mental maths. Let's see how much you're practicing. Sit straight, all of you. Sit straight. Arham. 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2. Don't look at mummy. Don't look at mummy. You have your fingers. Use them to count. 6 minus
Four,
2.
ma'am.
4. Okay, good. Ayat Fatima. Ayat Fatima, look in front. 2 plus
Yes,
2.
ma'am.
2 plus 2. Count on your fingers. 2 plus 2. Come on.
Four, ma'am.
4. Very good. Wali. 5 minus 1. 5 fingers. Close 1. Yes. 4. That's right. Hassan. 2 plus 3.
Ma'am, five.
5. Okay. Mahira. 9 plus 1.
Nine plus one.
Yes. Don't
10, ma'am.
don't look at mummy. You have to count on the fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Ma'am,
5,
10.
6, 7, 8, 9 plus 1 makes it 10. Okay. Sakina,
Yes, ma'am.
9 minus 1. Count 9
Ma'am,
fingers.
ma'am, eight.
8. Okay, fine. Rishita,
Yes, ma'am.
6 plus 2.
Eight.
8. All right. Ane, 1 plus 1.
Two.
2. Okay, good. Inaya,
Yes, ma'am.
3 plus 3.
Ma'am, six.
6. Okay. Ronik, 4 plus 2.
Ma'am, six.
6. Okay. Shub, 3 plus 2.
Yes, ma'am. Five.
5. Visual, 7 minus 1.
Yes, ma'am.
7
Ten.
minus 1.
Eight, ma'am.
6. Okay. Shivansh,
Yes, ma'am.
8 minus 2. Count on your fingers.
Ma'am, six.
Okay. Vihan, 3 minus 1. Show me 3 fingers, Vihan. Close 1 finger.
Two.
मम्मी से बोलिए पीछे से बताएंगी नहीं आपको आपको खुद करना है.
Two.
2. Okay, fine. Vaishnavi,
Yes, ma'am.
3 minus 2.
One.
1. Okay. Ali,
Yes, ma'am.
8 minus 1. Count 8 fingers.
Seven.
7. Okay, good. Sanvi,
Yes, ma'am.
5 minus 2. Sanvi, 5 minus 2. 5 fingers open करेंगे. 2 fingers close करेंगे. 3 left. Yes, Ayat Fatima.
May I go to the washroom?
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Nipun.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Nipun. What is 7 minus 1?
Six.
6. Okay, good. Manjeet. 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4.
Yes, ma'am. 8. Excuse me, ma'am.
Manjeet, count.
I'm problem for 8.
Nipun, did I ask you? I'm talking to Manjeet just now. You have already got your chance.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Manjeet. Show me 4 fingers in one hand, 4 fingers in the other. Count. Manjeet.
8, ma'am.
8. Okay. Prashasti.
Yes, ma'am.
6 minus 2.
4, ma'am.
4. Okay. All right. So now all of you open your books to page number 43. We'll move ahead. It's nice to see that you're practicing your sums.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Shivansh?
Ma'am, please tell me the page number.
Yes. Page number
Oh,
43. Subtraction on the number line. Today we are going to do. We've already done addition on the number line. Today we are going to learn how to subtract on the number line. Now remember when we were doing adding on the number line, when we added numbers on the number line, you had to put your pencil and you had to move forward. You had to jump forward. Remember? Whatever numbers was given to you, you had to put your pencil there and you had to move forward. Now we are going to move backwards. Now we are going to move backwards. For example, it says subtract 6 and 3 on the number line. Subtract 6 and 3. So I already
good,
told
ma'am.
you. Yes, Pranjali, page number 43. I already told you, children, we subtract the smaller number from the bigger. Right? So 6 and 3. 6 में
Good,
से
ma'am.
हमें 3 subtract करना है. So you will put your pencil on 6. On the number line, open to page 43 and all of you put your pencil on number 6. The sum is already done for you, but you will just repeat it so that you know how you have to go about doing it. Put your pencil on 6 and see you have to take 3 jumps backwards. From 6 you jump and come to 5. Come on, do that. जो ऑलरेडी करा हुआ है उसके ऊपर पेंसिल आपको चलाना है सिर्फ, so that you learn how to do it.
ये वाला पेज.
Pranjali, page number 43.
Okay, ma'am.
Now from 6 we jump and come to 5. Remember we have to take 3 jumps because the sum says subtract 6 and 3. From 6 you have to take away 3. So we have to take 3 jumps. From 6 we come to 5, that is the first jump. Then from 5 we come to 4, that is the second jump. Are you doing it? Ali, are you doing it? Then from 4 we jump and come to 3. That is the third jump. So from 6 when you subtract 3, we get 3. See, we've reached 3 after taking 3 jumps backwards. We've reached 3. So 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. Got it? Remember, we count backwards on the number line to subtract numbers. When we have to subtract, we count backwards on the number line. When we have to add, we move forward. You have to remember that, children. Now, see the first sum given there, 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5. We will place our pencil on 8. 8 is the bigger number. 5 is the smaller one, so we have to subtract 5 from 8. फिंगर्स पे करना इजी है, आप फिंगर्स 8 फिंगर्स काउंट करके 5 क्लोज कर देंगे, आंसर मिल जाएगा. बट नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डू इट ऑन द number line and I'm going to show it to you on the screen. You will do it with me. Your answer, don't give me the answer by counting on the fingers. We'll first do it on the number line. Ronik, just a second. All of you know the answer is 3. In that square, you write 3. And we are going to do it on the number line. I've got the whiteboard here. I'm trying to share it with you. Just a second. Put your pencil on 8, children. There's some network problem today. The screen is not visible properly. Put your pencil on number 8. And start jumping backward. From 8, you jump to 7.
Ma'am, I know answer. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, children. Now see, you do it with me. Now you can see the screen. Yes, you can see the screen. Put your pencil on 8.
Ma'am,
Yes, Adhiraj. Okay, let me just see. Yes. Yes. Now we put your pencil on 8 and start jumping.
excuse me,
1,
ma'am.
2, 3, 4,
बोला नहीं
5.
राज ने दिखाया था
So your answer, हम लोग ने 8 से जंप करना शुरू करा. Because the sum is 8 minus 5 and we reach 3. So your answer is 3. Yes, Rishita?
I have done.
Okay, very good. I can see you all are doing it. Sakina, I can see. Yes. Mahira also. Okay, let's go to the next sum. 5 minus 4.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Rishita?
I have done one.
All
Excuse
right.
me, I have done my work.
Okay. Since you are...
Excuse me, ma'am. I have done my work. See my work.
Yes, I can see it. All right.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Now for the children who have not been able to do, let's do the next sum together. 5 minus 4. That's your sum is equal to, then on the number line, you have your number line here. Okay, we put the numbers there. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now you have to subtract. Yes, I can see our 5 minus 4. So put your pencil on 5 and come to 4. That makes it only one jump. So 5 minus 4, your answer comes to 1. शिवांश समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Next sum, children. 10 minus 2. 10 minus 2.
Eight.
Rishita is giving the answer 8. But let's work it out on the number line, Rishita.
Ma'am, I have done my work.
Those who've done, sit quietly. Let the others also finish their work. Let them learn how it has to be done. You have to know how it has to be done. Practice that.
Ma'am, I have done. I have done. Ma'am.
Children, just a second. We begin with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 1, 0, 10. Now your sum is 10 minus 2. So children, pay attention. You put your pencil on 10 and you have to take 2 jumps. 1, 2. So we reached 8. We started from 10, we reached 8.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Mahira,
I have done it work.
you've done your work. Very good. So your answer comes to 8. All right. And now you have some more sums down below. Subtract the following by drawing the number line in your notebook, it says. The next exercise says subtract the following by drawing them in your number copy. This work I will be sending in the class group today. You will do the sums in your classwork copy, arithmetic copy. Yes, and I can see. Very good. Now turn the page. Turn the page.
Excuse me, ma'am. I have done.
Yes, visual. Very good. Okay, now see you
Ma'am,
have the
I
word problems.
excuse me, ma'am. I have
Yes,
done my
Hriday.
work. I have done work. Excuse me, ma'am. I have done my
Children, mute yourselves. Mute yourselves.
Excuse me, ma'am. I have done my work.
Mute yourselves, all of you. जब आपका काम फिनिश हो जाता है, you have to just give a thumbs up and you have to show me the book. That's all. You don't have to unmute and start shouting, "May I have done my work, ma'am, I have done my work." Okay? Now come to the next page, page 44. You have simple word problems over there. Like we did for addition, in the same way we have for subtraction. Read, count and subtract. One has been done for you. There are 6 balloons. 3 balloons burst. 3 balloons burst. And 3 balloons are left. So 6 minus 3, you get 3. Next sum, 9 bees on a hive. 3 flew away. Come on, count. 9 bees on a hive. 3 flew away. So your answer will be how many bees left? Come on, count. Show me with your
Ma'am,
fingers.
6.
Show me with your fingers. Yes, Ronik. Ishanvi, Hriday, okay. Ayat Fatima, Anya. Okay, fine. So your answer comes to 6. Please write over there 6. That's nice. You're learning to subtract and do work on your own. That's very good. All right, now the next sum. 8 candles were burning, 6 blown out. 6 blown out. Count the number of candles that are still burning.
Ma'am, 2.
You're showing with your fingers. Hassan, what are you doing, child? You're tired? Please do
दोनों
your work.
तरफ 6 लिखना.
Pranjali,
मैम
8.
दोनों तरफ
Yes. प्रॉब्लम सम्स जो होते हैं, छोटे छोटे स्टेटमेंट्स होते हैं. आई टोल्ड यू व्हेन वी वर डूइंग आवर एडिशन आल्सो चिल्ड्रन. Short sentences are there. 8 candles were burning, 6 blown out, then dash candles are left. Your answer came to 2. So you will write 2 over there. And then the sum is given below 8 minus 6. There also please write 2. Write over there also 2. Next sum says there were 6 oranges, 4 oranges were cut, dash oranges are left. Show me with your fingers how many left. First you count 6 oranges, then 1, 2, 3, 4 oranges were cut. So how many left? Yes, Ronik and Ishanvi, 2. Right. Hriday, pay attention, child. 2 oranges are left. So 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Now this exercise is for your fun. Just to practice your mental maths. So you will do this on your own at home when you're sitting. When you don't have anything to do, you can just practice this. Right?
मैम
Yes, Pranjali? Yes, Pranjali?
मैम 6 और 6 8 और 6 को माइनस करके क्या बनेगा.
आप काउंट करिए. 8 candles are burning. उसमें 6 candles are blown out. काउंट करके देखिए.
मैम I have done my work.
All right, Adiraj.
Ma'am, my work.
Yes, Inaya.
Ma'am, I have done my work.
Okay, that's good.
Ma'am, I have done my work. Arav Morra.
Yes, Arav, I can see. Good.
Ma'am, my work. I have done my work.
Pranjali, what did you get?
Ma'am, I have done my work.
Children, again your mics are on. I told you, you will just give me a thumbs up and show me your books. Don't start making a noise. Yes, that's right. Good.
मैं क्या करना है?
ये करना है इसको नाम को लिखा है
Sakina,
बताओ लिखो
problem sums.
Yes.
Did you finish with the problem sums that we are doing just now? Did you do it along with us? Okay, fine. Children, remember to put today's date on that page. Today's date is 23. Put the date 23/7/21, all of you.
ने वो करा है वो कितने करना है?
Yes, Pranjali?
जो ने वो करा है वो सेंड भी करना है?
No, not just now. Has everyone finished with the word problems? All right, Wali. Now listen carefully to what I'm saying. I will be sending you the social studies work.
Yes.
Okay, I'll be sending you the social studies work as well as your maths work today. You will complete your work very neatly. Only two subjects I'm giving you written work. You'll complete your written work today nicely, neatly. Remember,
Excuse me, ma'am.
जिस दिन का काम होता है उसी दिन कोशिश करा करिए कंप्लीट करने का. ऑल राइट, अगर आप स्कूल में होते आपको सारे सब्जेक्ट्स एक साथ करने होते. सारे सब्जेक्ट्स में क्लास में आप रिटन वर्क भी करते, लर्निंग भी करते मैम के साथ. यस, और अभी तो आप घर पे हैं फुल टाइम, यू हैव ऑल द टाइम. सो आपको अपना काम खुद करना है. यू हैव ऑल द टाइम एट होम. घर पे मम्मी सारा काम करती हैं, आपको सिर्फ पढ़ाई करने का काम करना है. तो आप अपना रिटन वर्क कंप्लीट करिएगा. सोशल स्टडीज़ के 3 क्वेश्चन आंसर्स हमने क्लास में कंप्लीट कर लिए थे. वी हैड डन इट. द रिमेनिंग आई विल बी सेंडिंग यू. यू विल कंप्लीट देम right very neatly, and you'll draw the diagrams also. I'll send the 2 diagrams for you.
Ma'am.
Remember, on the left hand page you'll do the diagrams neatly.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Prashasti.
मैम वो जो सोशल स्टडीज का काम था उस टाइम में लेट हो गई थी.
Yes,
मेरा काम नहीं हो
Prashasti, I
पाया.
said I'll be sending the work in the group, child. You can complete it.
थैंक यू मैम.
Okay, now all of you join your hands, close your eyes, let's say our prayers. And remember, yesterday I had sent you an audio for the reading practice. Yes, I hope all of you heard that audio. You're going to practice reading today. Tomorrow I'm going to hear you. Tomorrow I will ask you spellings also, English literature spellings and reading. Yes, Rishita?
I have done work.
Okay, fine, good. Now join your hands, close your eyes. Thank you, O God, for all the people from whom I have learned today, talked and shared my knowledge. Thank you for all the people who have been kind to me today, for those who have taught me the lessons which I must know, for granting me good knowledge to do better in my life. Thank you for being with me every moment of this day and keeping me safe. This I ask for your love's sake. Amen. So, good morning and thank you, children. Have a nice day.
Thank you,
Bye, children. Thank you. Thank you. Bye, children.
ma'am.